Good morning, good morning. Beautiful morning this morning. So y'all get up, get them boogies out your eyes, wash that crust off your derrieres and brush that stank off your gums. It's time to join Aleway's kitchen for some steaming, sizzling, straight up smoking good fun. Yeah! As always, we got our house flavored butters. You know why? 'Cause life is better with a bit of butter, baby. Life is better with a bit of butter. Don't matter if you're stacking, slacking, cracking, and bragging. We make it happen. We here at Aleway Eatz. We up with the roosters, baby. We started early, up early, I tell you. We baking, we smoking, we frying, we barbecuing, we rapping with you in a place to be with Aleway Eatz. Yeah, that's me. You know what it is. Oh, oh, snizap. I cracked myself up. Let me stop kidding, y'all. Let me stop kidding around. On some real serious stuff this morning. Or Minju weighing in with the one and only pride burger of the one and only Mickey D's. Drum roll, please. Yeah, you right. Yeah, you know what it is. The Big Mac. The Big Mac. Look at it, y'all. Look at that. We got a little bit of lettuce. Under the bun, we got a little bit of secret sauce. On top, we got a little secret sauce, a little tomato, little cheese. That look good, y'all. What that say? What you think about that? Phooey is what I think about it. What the? This gets no ride down my chute, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show you how to put the Aleway stamp and make this burger the champ of all burgers. Follow me. My fellow foodies. First of all, you gotta get you some good quality beef. Like so. But this beef ain't ground up yet. You could do like I do and grind your own for even juicy and more healthy burgers. Because you all know, ain't no what we call boo and boo in these burgers we here making today. Because if you get that ground up already beef, it might be animal on top of animal stacked through in the grinder, but we know what we getting here when we do it ourselves. That's the best way, people. That's the best way. Look at that. Look at that. We got us here some delicious chuck and tri-tip. Juicy and succulent. Gonna be some deliciousness going on here. Let me turn this grinder on right quick. You see, you cut up in chunks, cut it up in pieces. Then you feed the pieces in there. I like to grind mine twice. Some people do it once, but I like to do it twice. All right, y'all. Now let me speed this process up on this grinding of this meat because I'm hungry, ain't y'all? Shit, I'm ready to eat. All right, now the meat has been grinded up. Let's go to the side for a minute. And let's make some of this secret sauce. But let's reveal the secrets in the sauce that I'm making here today. I have 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish or regular relish. I like dill relish, but you can use sweet if you want. 1 1/2 tablespoon of mustard, 1 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Repeat, 2 teaspoons, not tablespoons of sugar for this here recipe right here. 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, not poked, but smoked paprika, 1/2 cup of white chopped onions. Now you mix all of that up in a pot. Get a little container, throw that in there like I did right here. Mix it all the way up. Now you set that in the fridge for a while as we continue. Let that set. Let that set just a bit. Right? First, now you grab them patties, right? You grab a little nice little handful of that patty meat, right? And you pat these bad boys out. Ooh wee, look at that. That's what a patty should look like. About a 1/4 pound. Not that measly 2 ounce. 2 ounce? What in the Samuel Jackson could I do with 2 ounce? 2 ounce? Did you say 2 ounce? No, absolutely nothing. Can't do nothing with no 2 ounce patty. You pat it out like so. Now let's season these delicious burger patties with what we call GSP. Garlic powder, salt, and pepper. You sprinkle a little seasoning on them patties. You pat it down a little bit. Then you flip it over. You do the same thing on the other side. A little seasoning, a little sprinkle. Then you pat it down a little bit. Like so. Don't that look good, people? Now, what you can do, you can obviously grill these circle of meat excellences. Or you could smoke them using indirect heat on any charcoal grill. Repeat, indirect heat on any charcoal grill, unless you want it hot and steamy and real, you know what I'm saying, quick. You put it on open flame, but I like to get a little smoke in mine. Or you could just cook them on a stovetop grill, or in a pan, cast iron, whatever you got. From the rooter to the tooter. Your choice. If you choose so, you can add how much smoke you want if you choose smoke. Don't add no smoke at all. Either way, they're gonna be good. They're good either way. Now let's take these bad boys to the grill out back. Here we go, baby. This is the goodness of it right here. Throw them bad boys on that grill right there. Like so. Yeah. Nice good smoke up in them motherfuckers. Yeah, see that? Do you see that? Do you see what I'm cooking? Look at that. Look at fire. Fire, I tell you. Let me sit there right there for you to get a good close look at that. Get a good close look at that. I'll close that up a little bit. Let some of that smoke get up in there. Yeah. Alright. Gonna get a little bit of time. We're gonna be right back. Show y'all what that halfway point looking like. You hear me? Yay! Let's get a close up, baby. Ooh, look at that. Them patties. Ooh, with that lettuce, tomato, and cheese on it, it's gonna be scrumptious. Let's get a little halfway point view. Yeah. Let's see what that does. Oh, bad boy. You hear that sizzle? You hear that sizzle? I told you we gonna be sizzling, boy. You hear that sizzle, man? That just sounds like you get my earlobe with some eardrum. Alright. Y'all know what time it is. I like that cheese, that mild cheddar on that piece. Open this thing up, see where we at. Oh yeah. It's time to make the cheese do the meltdown. Then we got it. That's nice on leash. Yeah. Alright. Cheese melt. Yeah. Cheese melt, baby. Let that cheese do what that cheese gonna do. I'll show y'all what it looks like up close. Y'all a little close up. That cheese gonna melt. That baby's gonna be good. Real good too. get it. Time to put these bad boys all down, get them inside, get them ready. Let's do it. All right, now it's time to assemble this delicious burger. In order to get that middle bread, you gotta get an extra bun, or the bottom of the extra bun, and just cut the bottom off, like so. Cut the little crust on the outside of it off, that's all. All right, good enough. All right, let's get this burger, it's made up. We got one patty at the bottom, lettuce, tomato at the bottom. Lettuce at the bottom. I add tomato. They don't got tomato, but I like tomato, so I'm gonna add tomato. So I'm gonna put a little bit of lettuce at the bottom, like so. Well, you know what? I'm missing a step, don't I? Gotta get some of the secret sauce, man. I'm gonna forget about the secret sauce. And forget about that secret. So, get all that secret sauce at the bottom. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Put that on there. Oh yeah. Now, put some of that lettuce on the bottom of there. Then you take a patty. That was my patty, but I gotta take one off. It was hot, hot. Take a patty, boom. Put that on there. Right? Then you put some of that secret sauce on that bread, that middle bread. You slap that on top. A little more secret sauce on there. I know I'm making a mess, but hey, it's like Carl's Jr. Then you got that, slap that second patty on top of that, like so. Then you get another lettuce. Pickles. Tomato. Nice little bit of tomato on there. I like tomato too. Tomato on there. Then you get another little good helping and dosage of that secret sauce. Yeah. That's gonna be good too. Then you throw that on that bad boy. Bam! And that's your Alewayz Max Mac. Look at that. Come on here. Come on up here. Let's see the difference. Look at that. Now which one you want?